Well, good morning and good afternoon. Mark here from MJ Drive. As always, guys, hope each and everyone has been well. Guys, just a bit of a recap. About 3.5 weeks ago, I took the car in to get that matter resolved with the timing. Obviously, after getting the replacement done on the head gasket, I found there was a bit of a miss. And then at the same time, there was a problem with the clutch with the slave cylinder. It got squeaky, and I was told that it needed to be replaced. So, like I said, 3.5 weeks later, waiting on parts to come from overseas. Basically ringing up each week, finding out, where's the car, when it's going to be ready. And today's the day, guys. On the last video, I did tell you that it was going to be ready on the Friday. Today is Tuesday, so we're heading down now. Pretty excited, can't wait to see the car. Has been a while. It has been a little bit annoying without it, but hopefully it's all fixed. We'll go down and check it out, and hopefully it's all in one piece. Righto, guys, well, I know I've said it before, but it is good to be back in the RS. Just driving home, obviously just taking the car back. Spoke to the service advisor there and gave me a bit of a rundown in regards to the timing issue, guys. So obviously he did admit and was saying that it was their fault in regards to the actual timing, how they done it on their behalf. Obviously the adjustment, the nut, obviously how it was positioned or how it was retightened. Obviously it did throw the timing out as well, and obviously in regards to the coil packs going or faulty. I am still waiting on Pacific paperwork to give you guys a bit more of an in-depth or a bit of a rundown on actually what got changed and what didn't get changed. So that does feel and sound good, the timing. Obviously it's sort of afternoon now, it's not an early morning for a cold start. I will keep an eye on that, and definitely keep you guys informed how that goes, as in sort of, the timing, the sound, the miss, if it does come back. In regards to now the slave cylinder, that's all been changed as well. That definitely feels a lot better than obviously what it used to before I dropped it off. Basically, yeah, you put your foot down and obviously let it out, and it just feels like it's supposed to, guys. So that's all been fixed, which is a good thing. But I will be keeping an eye on that as well for you guys to keep you informed. So again, guys, let us know if anyone has had the same dramas. Comment down below, let us know. Has anyone had a similar thing happen to their Focus? I did ask the service department there, have they had any issues with the slave cylinder, and he told me that it was obviously a first for them, for their department. He hasn't heard any different. I did ask the question of obviously what the delay was. Obviously parts, we all knew that it was parts. And he was also saying that where I get my one serviced at Ford, they only have either 1 or 2 people that really work on their performance cars, obviously the Focus being one of them, and obviously they do service our police cars there as well too. So again, that probably is a good thing as well too. They've got someone that is specialising in high performance cars. But why didn't they pick up on that timing issue before it left the building? Is a little bit of a letdown. But anyway, it's back. I'm happy to be in it. Trying to get comfortable again in it is a bit, yeah, you can definitely tell the difference from that loan car. It's a happy place to be, that's for sure, guys. So hopefully from now, it's all smiles. and we can only move forward from this this matter that happened with the Focus, and again put it behind us, and hopefully I can just keep making great content for you guys. And yeah, I'm really happy to be back, guys. Rightio, as soon as I do find out any more information, I'll let you guys know. As always, much appreciated. Thanks for watching. Let us know, comment down below, and if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button or hit that like button. Much appreciated. And as always, guys, catch you on the other one. Thank you. Bye-bye.